If you are unable to find the language bar on your Windows 11 taskbar, do not worry, there are a couple of simple solutions. First, take a look at the upward pointing arrow on your taskbar. This typically expands to show hidden icons. If you still do not see the language bar there, we will need to access Windows Settings. Right-click on your Start button, and then select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Time and Language section. Once you are in Time and Language, select Typing. Scroll down, and click on Advanced Keyboard Inputs. Here, you will find an option that says, Use a desktop language bar when it is available. Ensure this box is checked. It is important to note that the language bar may not always be visible if you only have one language installed on your system. The language bar is designed to allow you to switch between multiple input languages, so you need to have at least 2 languages added to your system for it to appear. If you have multiple languages installed and the option is checked, the language bar should now be visible. Hope this was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.